children, welcome you all for the today's English class. So in this session we are going to read and write. Come, let's start. So make use of this opportunity, children. So please follow the instruction. Write the lines as it is. We are following because Principal Ma'am instructed clearly that only 6 lines need to be written every day on our sessions. So while we are sending the teaching videos, along with that we will send the handwriting video also. Please follow, read and send your videos Ruby's English group, and write and send it to your handwriting book photocopies through Teachment. Please follow the instruction, children, and do as it is, children. Let's move on to the session now. Children, let's start the reading part. So children, take your course book, reader, page number 13, first chapter, Home, Be a Friend. So children, session up to the last session we have completed the first prose, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. Now we have started the next poem, that is first poem, Be a Friend. So take your course book English Fairy, page number 13, Be a Friend, poem 1. Children, let's read today's reading part from your course book English Fairy, page number 13, Be a Friend, stanza 2. Start, read, children. First line. Look at the first line, children. Take your textbook English Fairy, page number 13, Home, Be a Friend, stanza 2. Keep your fingers and read along with me, children. Be a friend. You don't need glory. Don't. D-O-N apostrophe T. Don't. Be a friend. You don't need glory. G-L-O-R-Y. Glory. Friendship. F-R-I-E-N-D-S-H-I-P. Friendship is a simple story. S-T-O-R-Y is story. Friendship is a simple story. P-A-S-S, pass by, T-R-I-F-L-I-G, trifling, T-R-I-F-L-I-N-G, trifling. Trifling means unimportant. Look at the glossary, it is there, children. Trifling errors, E-R-R-O-R-S, errors. Blindly, B-L-I-N-D-L-Y, blindly. Pass by trifling errors blindly. I'll repeat the first line, children. Be a friend. You don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story. Pass by trifling errors blindly. Gaze, G-A-Z-E, gaze, G-A-Z-E, gaze. Gaze on, honest, H-O-N-E-S-T, honest. Effort, E-F-F-O-R-T, effort. Kindly, K-I-N-D-L-Y, kindly. Gaze on, honest, effort, kindly. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Cheer, C-H-E-E-R, cheer the youth whose, H-W-H-O apostrophe S, whose, short form of who is. You should pronounce it as whose, children. Inside the apostrophe you have I. There is letter I, but we should not pronounce it as who is. It should be pronounced as whose. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. B-R-A-V-E-L-Y. BRAVELY, bravely. Trying, TRYING, trying. I'll repeat from the first line, children. Read along with me. Be a friend. You don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story. Passing by trifling errors, blindly. Gaze on honest efforts kindly. Cheer the youth. YOUTH, youth. Cheer, CHEER, cheer the youth whose bravely, 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 trying, TRYING, trying. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Then look at the next line, children. Pity him, PITY, pity him whose, WHO'S, whose sadly, 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 shying, SIGHING, shying. Pity on him who's sadly shying. Just a little labor spend. Just a little, LITTLE, little labor, LABOUR, labor spend. SPEND, spend on the duties, DUTIES, duties of a friend. So that's the end of the second stanza, children, from the poem Be a Friend. I'll repeat the lines again. Keep your fingers and read along with me one more time, children. Let's read the second stanza line by line again for one more time, children. Be a friend. You don't need glory. Friendship is a simple story. Pass by trifling errors blindly. Gaze on honest effort kindly. Cheer the youth who's bravely trying. Pity him who's sadly sighing. Just a little labor, LABOUR, labor spend, SPEND, spend on the duties, DUTIES, duties of a friend. Look at the glossary here. Disposition means nature. Unbefriended means here someone who has no friends, that is unbefriended. Then trifling means unimportant. So that's all from the today's reading part, children. Read the stanza and send it in the group. And now let's move on to the writing part of today, children. Take your handwriting book and follow the instruction. Write the date first, children. Then draw lines. And please follow the page. Maintain the page. Please don't write extra lines. Only when we have a English teaching video, we have write handwriting session. In that session, how many lines I am writing, the same line should be written in your handwriting book. So this will be checked by ma'am when you submit your handwriting book. So please write along with me and don't write the extra pages. And don't write ugly. It should be neat with proper pattern. So as it is given the dotted lines, your handwriting should be maintained. So please cooperate with us and do the needful. Let's move on to the today's writing part. Children, let's start today's writing part. Take your handwriting book, all of you. Page number 4. Today we are going to write stroke, tick and I, and one more stroke we are going to complete, that is this hook. So 3 blocks, 1, 2 and 3. So you need to write 3 blocks, children. So write today's date, 27/8/2021. Draw lines like this, children. See how I have drawn lines like this. You need to draw lines Then let me start from the first line, children. Start from the dotted line, all of you. First start with the dotted line, children. Sharp your pencil, then start write. So see here, write over the dotted line, children. Write slowly like this over the dotted line. Don't write outside, it should be over the dotted line only. For that you need to sharp your pencil like this, then only you can point the tip of the pencil over the dotted line properly. So write like this. So first I have completed the dotted line. Next I am going to write the next line, children. Follow the same pattern as it is. Start from here. Slowly you should write, children, as it is. Write slowly like this, children. So I have completed the next line also. Sharp your pencil and then write, children. Next line you need to write on your own. Now I am going to start the I. Write over the dotted line, children, properly like this. Write neatly as it is, children. So that's all. I have completed the dotted line. Next line I am going to write. I am going to start with the next line, children. Write slowly. You have to start with a tick. Slowly you have to write, children. Don't write fastly. Don't write fast. Follow the same. So that's all I have completed. The next line also, next line you need to write. So this is from page 4. Now I am going to start the page 5. That is this stroke, hook. Let me start from the dotted line, children. Start from the dotted line, all of you. Don't move on directly to the next line. First, when you complete the dotted line, then only you will get the stroke properly. Follow the same pattern and write it over the dotted lines, children. So that's all. I have completed the dotted lines. Now I am going to start the next line, children. Write slowly. See here first. Slowly you need to write like this, children. Yeah, so that's all. I have completed this line also. Next line you need to write. So today we are going to write 3 blocks, children, not 2 blocks. One, this stick, then I, then this hook. So all the 3 blocks should be completed today. So write neatly and send your photocopy through Teachment, children. So that's all from the today's writing part. Write the date, draw lines, sharp your pencil, write over the dotted line, then write these 2 lines, children. So 3 blocks, 1, 2 and 3. 3 blocks you are going to write for tomorrow's handwriting. So that's all from today's handwriting part, children. Write neatly and send your photocopy in Teachment. Children, follow the instruction and do your work properly and send your assignments regularly. So children, your reading video to be sent in group, that is Emerald English group, and your handwriting should be uploaded, your photocopy of your handwriting should be uploaded through Teachment.